Satellite and radar, beautiful start to the day. We are dry statewide. We do have some cloud cover that will stay with us throughout the day. That'll be the big change, but a mild start. 40 in downtown. Winds are light out of the southwest at 9 miles per hour, and they should stay that way throughout the day. It's going to be another day with very mild temperatures up in the high country, feeling more like April. We'll see the mid 50s in Vail, close to 60 in Aspen, with 53 in Steamboat. Here in the city, we'll top out at 66 degrees. Same in Aurora out through Central Park. A little bit cooler down to our south in Castle Pines and Castle Rock, topping out at 64. This is all thanks to this warming ridge of high pressure that's been dominating our weather, but we are tracking a major change that comes our way tomorrow. Now, the setup of where this low ends up will determine just how much snow we see. If it's more to the south, then we'll pick up less snow, mainly north of I-76. But if it takes a more northerly track, that's where we'll see more snow out across the eastern plains as well as the Palmer Divide. So today we do have a chance to see just a little light rain, possibly a rain-snow mix down through southern Colorado as we see a weak disturbance pass through our south. Otherwise, you'll just notice the cloudy conditions throughout the day today, but we'll still have some sunshine out there. That big change comes our way tomorrow. We'll start to see snow push into the high country by tomorrow afternoon. By tomorrow late afternoon and evening, we could start to see some rain showers here in the Denver metro area. It'll be warm to start, so that's when we'll first see this precipitation fall as rain. But as those temperatures slide Monday night into Tuesday morning, that rain will switch over to snow. Stopping this just around midnight, you'll see snow up and down the I-25 corridor starting to push out across the eastern plains. That will continue through Tuesday morning. By Tuesday afternoon, we'll wrap up most of that snowfall, and that'll push out with a little lingering up in the high country through Wednesday morning. Here's a closer look at the Denver metro area. 3 o'clock on Monday afternoon, starting to see some of those rain showers, but it's not until those overnight hours that the temperatures will fall, and we'll see that rain change over to snow into Tuesday morning here in the Front Range and out across the eastern plains before that clears out by the afternoon. We will see the wind pick up, especially out across the eastern plains, where we could see wind gusts 50 to 60 miles per hour. So when you mix that with the snow, we could see blizzard conditions, especially out across I-70, where we could pick up 4 to 10 inches of accumulation. So we do have a winter weather advisory in place for the southern mountains. Winter storm warning, that is in blue. It does include the eastern plains, where we could see those possible blizzard conditions on Tuesday, making travel very difficult, if not impossible, across I-70. We could see heavy snow in the Front Range mountains, but the exact storm track, like I mentioned before, and that change from rain to snow is still uncertain. That will really determine just how much we see here in the Denver metro area. So for today, 65. Tomorrow, staying mild to start, high of 60 degrees, but we will see that red flag warning down in southern Colorado. We could see winds 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. So high fire danger there before we see that moisture move in that is desperately needed. Then on Tuesday, a first alert weather day. Here's at this point how the snow is stacking up. Because it's going to fall as rain first and be so warm, we're looking at maybe an inch or two of accumulation here in the Denver metro area. But again, higher totals to the west, the south, and the east. Places up to the north might miss out completely, but really this will depend on where that low sets up. If it takes a more northerly track, we could see a bit more. We'll stay in the 40s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but by next weekend, Kennedy, we'll see mild weather return back in the 50s and 60s.
All right.